Heartopias. Today I am going to share a new furniture design with you. As you know, you can't really use these fridges, so most players keep them only as a decorations. If you are getting bored of seeing the same fridge design again and again, then today I am going to share a new fridge design idea with you. So let's go. So first you will need two floor pieces, then surround three sides with walls and add a floor pieces on top to make the roof. After that, use wooden wall storage and place them inside in 4 rows like this. Next, you can decorate the shelves with any foods item you like. You can also recolor the storage walls if you want. I placed some pies from the new events and a new mushroom pies here, along with some candles for multis. On the very top, I added a brick bowl shaft eyes. Of course, you can place whatever items you prefer. Then we will paint the inside. I am using the multis wall design, but you can choose any design you like. After that, color the floor and ceiling and add some square lights on top. These square lights on top. After that, close the front with walls and insert metal windows. We can also add a door on one side. I don't have a sliding door, but if you do, I think it would look even better. So after that, you can color the outside however you like. I was thinking about making it pink, but I did not really like the look, so I changed it to red and it turned out perfect. And then you can decorate around it with furniture like this. This is so adorable. Wow! So you can even use this setup for a birthday event by decorating it with balloons. I place a cute teddy bear in front and I think it looks adorable. You can also add any plants you like. And then I added a rug here to make everything look even more complete. So now let me show you how it looks in trial mode. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will share more decorations idea like this with you in the future. Since I am new to YouTube, I would really appreciate your support. That's all for today, Heartopians. Bye everyone and see you in the next video. Bye bye.